The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Houseplants.
Hi everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We continue from one of my favorite places. We are at Houseplants today at their Wichita location here on North Rock Road with one of my favorite people. We have Ben Miller. So many reasons why I like Ben. One of them because he's wearing the Good Day Kansas bracelet. I like that.
Crazy.
That's pretty cool.
I always keep that on.
Yeah.
How did I get that?
That's one thing we like about you,
I love
Ben.
working with you guys. You guys have been amazing for us.
I wish Bree was here with us today because she loves talking about houseplants.
She does.
Which is our topic today.
Yes.
So many different varieties and styles you have here.
This is something that we bring into our stores through the summer, and just a collection of different things that you can start planters with, or some that we have. Cacti, selections, the Madagascar palm, and then some really cool cacti dishes in different sizes and things. You got a little tiny one over here that just way cool.
Yeah.
But a lot of really neat, plants that you can make combinations with. You see us do combinations with spring color, summer color. To do that with houseplants is also pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Difference in textures, difference in colors. You just really make some cool stuff with plant material that really does handle a low light environment. So pretty way cool.
Whenever you say houseplants, give our viewers some vision of where they could be putting these houseplants. Where do these fit best in a house?
In a house, there's always that question, kind of like you outdoors, what needs more light than others? Some things can handle a lot more shade, and in a house it's more the distance where you might be from a nice big window that's going to get you some light. Obviously from the east side you'll have good morning light, and not so much during the day. Obviously the west side would be a little more later in the day. But in most cases houseplants will do well in any bright interior environment. And so with that in mind, and you can always, the neat thing with houseplants, you can turn, adjust them around different places to change that up. But no, it's just an item that we really love bringing in the summertime. And if you've ever been to the growing farms in Florida where this comes from, it's amazing because they're outdoors in an environment much like we have here, with shade, and so they're really acclimated to what we do here. Yeah,
the plants are really cool themselves, but also the dishes they come in, those are
quite
awesome.
a variety.
Yeah,
and in different colors, different shapes. And forms,
all sorts of. You got pink one, green, red, got all sorts of different colors
something
here.
That fit almost any decor that you might have in your house.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Well, tell us where some of your different locations are across the state and how people can get more information.
Well, in Sedgwick County, of course, we're here at North Rock by Sam's Club, 21st and Webb, Cambridge Market, Derby on Middle Arc, just off of Rock. Great location. 13th and Tyler was our first location here in Wichita. And then, of course, Newton, McPherson, Salina, Great Bend, Dodge City, Pratt, and north part of Hutchinson is another seasonal. And then the main operation is just 5 miles southwest of Hutchinson on Highway 50.
Yep, wherever you're watching, most likely there's a Houseplants within your area to go and get all of your planting and gardening needs. Ben, thanks so much for being with us today.
Always a pleasure. Appreciate it.
Yep, we have more Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Houseplants.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Houseplants season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived. Gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Houseplants.com.
A Houseplants greenhouse, everything's green with us.